back with another unboxing for you guys, and today I have this little mini drone from SanRock. It's the Mini H859HW. It does have an app that you can either download with the iOS or Android. So you need an Android phone that's 6.0 or later, or iOS 10.0 or later. Here is the barcode, and it's called Scan Air to download that. So it says for ages 14 and up. It gives all the little things it could do, flip, roll. It's supposed to have steady hold. So let's get this thing unboxed and take a look at what we got. I probably won't try to fly it today because I got to charge up the batteries. But here's the instruction manual. I'll probably never use it, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. Set that over to the side, and then we're greeted with, right off the bat, the little drone itself. And yes, this is a true mini drone. Very small. Now I got this because when I normally go flying, okay, so you got to open it from the bottom first. Okay. So you open the props up from the bottom first and then the top ones, but let's take a quick look at this thing. So this is very small, and I got this because when I'm normally flying and I have friends with me, be like, hey, let me fly. I'm like, hell no, I'm not gonna let you crash my drone. So I got this for them to play with while I'm actually flying my drone around and getting landscaping shots. But yeah, it's not a bad little drone. Looks like it's got some LED lights here in the front. Might be a flow sensor there on the bottom. Huh, it's not bad. I only paid 35 bucks for this thing on Amazon. So let's see what else we get here. Oh, we actually get 2 batteries, and I believe these are 500 milliamps. Yep, they're 500. So you do get 2 batteries. That's pretty cool. What else we got here? Oh, we got the extension for the phone to hook up to the remote. Okay, so that's all in that one. And then we get the remote here. It says SanRock on it. And the piece here goes right here. So you connect your phone to that. And let's see, so this does take batteries. So you will need to have batteries to go into the back of this thing here, which I know I'm not flying it today, knowing that for sure. Okay, so you do get prop guards. So yeah, they're gonna need prop guards. That's great that it comes with these prop guards to go over these little propellers right here. So that'll work great. And last but not least, I had that taped on the outside. Get a little bag of goodies here. Looks like screwdrivers, some extra props, and the charger for the battery. And that's about it, man. So yeah, this is just the first impression of this little drone right here. Can't wait to take it out. Got to charge up the batteries and get some batteries to go into the remote here. The remote looks pretty basic, nothing too crazy. And the first time I take this out, guys, I'll be sure to let you see the footage on this. But I will tell you off the bat, it says HD camera. You can look at this thing. I guarantee you this camera's trash. I would never try to put video from a drone like this out. You know, something like this, I would actually probably attach either my Insta360 original Go to it or the Go 2 to get better footage. But yeah, I wouldn't rely on this for photos or videos. But it's just something to practice with. And once they get good with this, then I'll probably let them fly the SE. But the Air 2, probably never. But anyway though, guys, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this quick video of the SanRock H859HW mini drone. All right, guys. So other than that, man, I am out. Peace.